Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about simple, natural ways to feel younger, stronger, and full of energy, no matter your age. Now, if you're 5 and you sometimes feel tired, achy, or foggy-headed, this video is for you. Because today, we're diving into the top 7 superfoods for seniors to boost your energy, heal your 55 and joints, and help you stay young inside and out. But here's the thing, we're not just talking about trendy superfoods. We're talking about foods that actually work, backed by science and real-life results. And we'll also mention a few common foods that silently damage aging bodies, so you'll know what to avoid. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's start your journey to a healthier, younger-feeling you. 1. Oily fish, the joint protector. Let's begin with one of the best for seniors, oily fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that help reduce inflammation in your joints, improve blood circulation, and even protect your heart. Did you know? Studies show that older adults who eat oily fish 2 or more times a week report less joint pain and stiffness, especially those with arthritis or inflammation-related conditions. Omega-3s also support brain function, helping you stay sharper and more focused as you age. If you're not a fan of fish, try adding a spoonful of chia seeds or flax seeds to your porridge or smoothie. They're plant bases of omega-3s. Foods to avoid instead. Processed meats like sausages and bacon contain harmful fats that increase inflammation, exactly what your aging joints don't need. 2. Leafy greens, the energy givers. Next on our list, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These humble greens are packed with magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, nutrients that help your body produce energy and keep your muscles working properly. For seniors, leafy greens also play a key role in maintaining bone strength and preventing fatigue. Fun fact, a study from the University of Melbourne found that people who ate 1 serving of leafy greens daily had stronger legs and better mobility as they aged. That means fewer falls, steadier balance, and more confidence in your movements. Add spinach to your morning omelet or blend kale into a fruit smoothie. It's a small change that makes a big difference to your day. Foods to avoid instead. Skip overly processed energy bars or sugary cereals that claim to boost your stamina. They cause quick spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leaving you even more tired. So far, we've covered oily fish, leafy greens, and berries, 3 incredible foods that help your body stay strong, energized, and mentally sharp.